Here is a news about Bangalore's prestigious social organization Bazm. The organization had recently conducted a massive scholarship program wherein a whopping amount of 1 crore 50 lakh rupees was distributed among 3,800 girl students as scholarship, and the program was participated by prominent guests. Let's have a look at the report.
It is said that where women are respected, God resides there. You can transform a society if you nurture and transform women. It's the woman who makes generation. That's what we all have to understand. When you nurture women, when you uplift them, when you bring them up, when you transform them, you nurture the society, you transform the society, you uplift the society, you bring up the society. That's why these golden words where women are respected, God resides there, nature resides there. And I can tell you that Bazm and Niswan is doing wonderful job in this because they are specially empowering the women.
This is for the next generation of women who are the first institution for the next generation. We have started pre-coaching for KS and IAS. Last year we had 3-4 ladies who had gone, and one click, Jabin Fatima. She is an IAS now. She is in the revenue with the income tax department. There is another case officer, Ada Fatima, assistant commissioner right now. She is in the job. We have got a DOSP, Anjum Fatima, Tahsildar. There are so many ladies. Once you complete your graduation, every year we will call for applications. There nearly 5,000 students apply for us. And we conduct an exam, that is the CET. They will give you the ranking, and based on your rank and the graduation percentage, CET ranking, counseling marks, only then we will select only 200 candidates per year for KS and IAS. So the competition level is very high unless you are not serious in studies.
Niswan तकरीबन 44 इयर्स पहले इसकी शुरुआत हुई थी। इसमें जनाबा अलहाज सादतुन्निसापा जो गुजर चुकी हैं, उन्होंने इसकी बुनियाद डाली थी। मैं इसमें तकरीबन 33 साल पहले ज्वाइन की। उस वक्त तकरीबन 200 बच्चियों को स्कॉलरशिप दी जाती थी। इसके बाद आई टुक ओवर एंड इन फ्यू इयर्स माशाल्लाह द नंबर स्टार्टेड इंक्रीजिंग, एंड देन फ्रॉम लास्ट फ्यू इयर्स तादाद बढ़ती गई और माशाल्लाह इस साल हमने 3,800 बच्चों को स्कॉलरशिप दिए है। उसका टोटल अमाउंट जो है 1 करोड़ 50 लाख 1.5 करोड़ सॉरी 1.5 करोड़ है। और इससे पहले अब तक जो है हमने 51,700 गर्ल्स को स्कॉलरशिप दी है। हमारा मेन मकसद है कि हमारी बच्चियाँ ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पढ़ें और कौम और मिल्लत में अच्छे आगे आएँ, अच्छे काम करें। दुनिया में हुकूमत में भी, हिंदुस्तान में भी नाम हो, उनका बाहर भी नाम हो, अच्छे काम करें, आगे बढ़ें, डॉक्टर्स, इंजीनियर्स, साइंटिस्ट बने। ये ख्याल रख के हम कोशिश करते हैं कि हमारे बच्चों को हम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पढ़ाने की कोशिश करें।